At the bottom of your CSS, please set up a rule called box. Give it a padding of 20 pixels. Please save, then go into index.html and add that box class to your banner, your intro, and your fears, advice, and footer. Please save your work and then reload your page to see that the padding was successful. Next, at the bottom of our CSS, we need another rule that will let us apply the brown color to both the banner and the footer. Note that we can separate our classes using commas. We can set up the background color so that it matches our plan, and use color to set the font color to white. We can reload the page to check that the colors have been applied. Next, in the body rule, set up the font family to be Roboto or sans serif, and then reload the page. Please go into index.html, and at the start of the intro box, open and close an H2 bracket, and write the word what inside. To set up a paragraph, we're wanting to use the p tag. So as always, we'll open and close, go into our text document and select the paragraph, copy it, and then inside our paragraph tab, we can paste. In Visual Studio, you can use Alt-Z as a shortcut to wrap the text. We can then save, preview, and as you can see, the paragraph is appearing as desired. In our fields box, we can put in a top 10 heading. Once again, we can put in some paragraph tags, and we can paste in that introduction. For now, we're going to leave the URL alone, and we're going to put in our numbered list. To get a numbered list, you need to use OL or ordered list tags, and each item will be enclosed in list item or LI tags. So there's what your first list item should look like. One way to quickly mark up your items is to paste the items in and indent them. Then grab the open list item tag, pop it in, and you can use copy and paste to correctly mark up this code. And that's what it should look like. Remember to save. And when we preview, we can see that that has been successful. We can do something similar for our advice box, where once again, we want to put in a heading, which is going to say struggling. We want to put in that introductory paragraph, which goes inside p tags. For our bulleted list, we're going to use unordered lists, which go inside UL tags. And there's what your list should look like. A reminder that each item should begin with an LI open and close with a /LI. Please save your code and preview it. We haven't needed to use a break tag, but we'll do that somewhere else on the page. For now, we can start to work on our quotes area. So please scroll down. I realized that I did leave out my div for quotes, so I've just popped that in. Reminder that your heading should go inside H2 tags. And we're going to do something interesting with our source. We're going to put it inside p tags, but we're also going to make it italic by putting it inside I tags. When I previewed, the spacing was out because I forgot to add the box class. But when I reload the page with the class, of course, the issue is fixed. As this video is getting a little bit long, we're going to continue this process in the next video.